Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe. Today I'm cooking chicken and potatoes. Yeah, welcome back, and remember to subscribe, like, comment, share. Yeah, and support me by subscribing, please. I have already cut my onions, put some vegetable oil with very low heat. As you can see, I reduce my heat, and now that the onions are ready, put my spices, which is coriander. No, my spices are turmeric powder, ginger powder, and garlic powder. That's what I use today. Later on, I add my chicken. I normally remove the cover of the chicken, and I like it without the cover. They are only two pieces. I split them in more pieces, and now I add to the pot and try to marinate it with the spices and the onions so that you can at least have some nice taste. It can add some spices. It can later on I add some salt. You can see, wow, it has already changed. How do you think about this meal? How do you think about the egg yogurt? I cover for like 10 minutes. It is half to cook. Later on, I will add my potatoes. They cook together. I cut in big pieces. Yeah, so that it don't crash. Yeah, you can try this meal. It's healthy and simple. I just took only that meal cooking this meal. Yeah, I add some salt and cover my pot and increase the heat. I didn't increase, still on the low heat. Yeah, I wanted first to cook halfway. Then I add some water and some cubes, water cubes, Maggi cubes. You can see the Maggi cube. I add some water. The soup is good. Watu wa supu wadufu wadufu gani? Supu gani? Mko wapi? Yeah, I add some more water for the soup. As you know, the potatoes, they need more water so that they are not so dry. Now it I add by coriander leaves and tomato. Wow, you can see something good is coming. Almost there. I'm already hungry. I'm yawning. I'm salivating. Wow, you can see the boiling pot. Wow, mashallah, looks yummy. Guys, thank you for your support, for watching. Remember to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. If you are watching without subscribing, what are you waiting? Smash that subscription button. My returning viewers, may God bless you. And returning subscribers, in case this is your first time here, please watch my videos and like, comment, share, and subscribe. My meal is ready. You can see the color. Wow, mashallah. I like it. How do you see it? Do you like it? Let's taste. Yummy. You can see see the potato has already changed the color because of turmeric powder. Later on, I transfer my food to the dish. Yeah, because I want to use when it's hot. Yeah, and maybe I might be busy. This is not the time I'm going to eat or eat other way. Yeah, I like transferring it to the dish also to preserve for the next time I want to eat. I divide my food in, this is my supper, my lunch and my breakfast. Yeah, we divided into 2 times. Welcome friend. Oh, I was so hungry, but I'm happy I managed to cook today. Yeah, sometimes you find you are so busy and the moment you want to cook is already late. Now you just to find something else to cook. Thank you. Support me by subscribing. Bye. Meet on the next